Hey guys, it's Claire Miller here, and welcome back to Unicorn Squad. So today, I got a package in the mail, and I already broken up the seal because I didn't want to really do that, and it's a squishy package, and I cover up my address. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to remove that. Ups. I don't care about that. This is one of them. So I got these little donut hamsters. The Sweet Life. It comes with this tag. Oh, and this little this charm thing. So I am gonna take it out of the packaging. It's super cute. So this one is the pink one. Wait, I might need scissors. Hold on. Okay, so I got some scissors because the packaging thingamajig wouldn't come out. Hold it. I'm trying to see because I don't know. Okay. It's so soft. I'm like, see the licensing. I think that's what it is. The tag is super duper cute. I like it. So there's like 4 more, I think. That's just one of them. Yeah, there it is now. So this one was the vanilla one with the pink frosting. Now I'm going to do the strawberry one with the chocolate frosting. So there's that one. I am going to be opening all of them. And then there is vanilla one with the mint frosting. I think that's what it is. And then vanilla with the chocolate frosting. So that is all that's in the box. So there's this one, and I will be opening up all of them. Don't worry. I'm not that kind of person that just keeps them in the packaging. I actually like squishing them. That's not in the packaging. I think this is my first squishy package. Not my first ever one. But my first one that actually comes with a tag. Yeah, yeah, so I'm kind of confused. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So they all come with the same exact tag and this little pin as well. And they all are super duper cute. And their little butts. And they all come in different flavors, but they're all the exact same little chipmunk thingy. So these are called the Sweet Life Hammy Donuts. I think that's what they are. So I'm going to open up these two, and I will show you guys the squishies. Okay, so I took this one, and these 3 out of the packaging. I didn't really want to take out this one out of the packaging. I might take it out. I probably will. So it's just that there we go. Open. So I kind of have to cut this part because it has a big tag and it goes through the whole thing. Ooh, that one went pop out. So yes, these are the 4 squishies. So I will do close-ups. So I'll do that right now. So this is the first one. I think this was this was the second one that I opened. So this is the tag. Sweet Life. The Sweet Life Hammy Donuts. So there's these little hamsters, I think, inside of a donut. It's really soft, super duper soft. I do recommend these squishies. You can just get them on Amazon, pretty cheap, but cute. So there's that one, and then there was this one that I think was the first one that I opened. Yeah. So tag all the same. Comes with this little thing. I don't know what it is. This one is vanilla one with the pink frosting. And there is this one that is, they're all the exact same little hamster. This one is strawberry with the chocolate frosting and sprinkles. And then the last one that is the vanilla one with the mint. And they smell, ooh, they smell so good. So like they smell like kind of fruity. I really like it. So, and it has like no defects. It's really like well made. So I do recommend these squishies. Very nice squishies. So I recommend all of these. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.